God. How the hell did he get? Well, Thursday, 1st, I think. We're trying it out. It's a little bit windy, but the lightest it's been all week. So hit artificial. Gotta be a trout, more likely. Oh man, he's a keeper. Keeper. Whoop. Hey, you get me all wet, buddy. Whoop. There we go. This one right there. Brownish, pricks, sparkles, and great tail. Not sure what the name of it. It's AM lure. Whoa! Oh, that's him over there. Whoa! Oh man, it's a skipjack, I think. You get off. You get off. Is he coming? Oh, he's coming this way. Oh, come this way, man. You can tangle up all my lines. Come on, buddy. Oh, boy, these suckers are strong. Oh, damn, he's gonna mess with all my lines. Look at that. Oh, wow, he's a big skipjack. Come on, buddy. There's that good old Penn Fathom 300. Man, he's been a real good reel. What's going on? He just got tangled up, I think, in the same line. Oh, he's all tangled up with the other line, I think. Goes. There he goes. You don't want to quit yet. Goes this way. And there's all my. Get over here, buddy. Big old skipjack. Get over here. Don't get to the motor. The pedal drive. Oh, you got him hooked on the side. Maybe that's what. There he is. Big skipjack. Well, I get him off. Good one. Man, he's a big sucker, man. Woo. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Strong, all muscle, man. All right, buddy. Let's go. There we go.